Hey guys, it's Kenzie here. Just to let you know, I haven't been on here for so long just because I have moved and my life has changed. And I've been very busy with school last year. So today I am going to try to do an apartment tour of my apartment and stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's get started. So I'm gonna go outside the door. I'll just show you a little bit of outside the door. Or we're just gonna be at the door. I'm not even gonna show you the door. So this is the door that you come into. And then as you come into the door, this is the kitchen. Stove, if you're wondering why I have foil on my countertops, it is due to my cat trying to get up onto the counter. She has tried it, so we're going to try that and see how that goes. And so then this is the dining room. As you can see, I'm trying to show you a good video. This is the dining room. I am trying to plan on redoing my dining room and hanging up photos and stuff. That's I'm trying to into the plan of redoing it. So far I got my new table and everything. And I need get another bar stool. So I think I'm going to go in tomorrow to work and have them, stay home and have my mom come over with my grandma's credit card and order me a new bar stool. Or if we get new bar stools in tomorrow like that, then I'll get one at Kirkland's, but I just gotta wait and see. I actually work at Kirkland's. It's a funny story. But this is my dining room. And I just keep all of my cleaning products, vacuum, broom, mop right there. I used to throw it in my closet as you walk in, but I decided not to. Sorry for my hair. My hair is a little disaster today. This is the living room. Pretty nice, large living room, as you can see. I will link everything below where I got some of my furniture from, and some of my stuff from. And then I just have this. This is part of the hallway area. So as we are walking into the hallway, we have two closets. That's my bathroom closet. I can just show you. It's a disaster though. So I just keep everything in here. I keep my towels, lotions, perfume, stuff like that I need. I keep in there. I'm sorry. I'm yawning. Okay. And then I keep some of my clothes in here, some stuff up here. I just cleaned this out about a week ago. And so I just keep everything in here. I have my luggage, suitcase, whatever. Have everything in here. Some of my holiday stuff in here. And then I do have games up there, so if people come over, we can play games and stuff. So that's my closet. And then that picture up there, if you guys are going to probably ask about that, why is that picture up there? Why is that not hung up yet? Right now, I am in the planning of we're going to try to find some room for it to go. So, and then we go to the bathroom. I just cleaned it today, so it's kind of exciting. So this is the bathroom. This is my vanity mirror. As I'm in the video, you can see. So this is just my vanity mirror. My sink, toilet, and I did this. This is all my idea. I did all that. And I just keep everything up here. And then I have this sign that says, "Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself," from Coco Chanel. And then I have this towel, and then this is my bath shower tub sort of thing. So then we will move on to my bedroom. Don't mind, my bedroom is a little messy. I'm just going to give a quick spin. That's my bedroom. Give you a quick spin of my closet. There's my closet. Yeah, my bedroom is very messy. Otherwise, I would show you it and everything else and share about it. So yeah, this is my apartment. Oh, and I was going to add in a little new addition. Grab her kitty treats. That's what she wants. That's the way she'll come. That's the way she will come if I give her her kitty treats. Come here. Come here. Come here. Don't be shy. Get up here. She's being shy. So I have a new addition to my part of my family. Well, she's family for right now until we get our plans going here. Sorry, she's showing her butt. This is Portia. And she is mixed tabby with a little bangle in her. There's something stuck in my nail. This is Portia. And she has a little mixed bangle and tabby in her, as I said. I got her from PetSmart. They had her at PetSmart from a cat rescue here in South Dakota, is where I live. And got her from there. She will be a year this year. She is in her naughty kitten stage. So, yeah, this is Portia. I was able to get her as a companion pet and everything. She loves it here. She's very lovable. She can have her moments sometimes. So, yeah. So this is my apartment, you guys. I will be filming here now. That's the dining room. So, yeah. So go ahead, subscribe, and I am going to be adding new videos here. I'm thinking about trying some new cooking videos, even though I don't really like cooking that much. But right now I'm getting in the swing of it, practicing, a little bit of it, which is okay. So go ahead and comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think of my apartment. And I will start uploading, I can't even talk right, uploading some videos of me cooking. See ya, bye.